Hi friends, and if you want to get Canva Pro for free, so this video is only for you. So watch this video till end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, I'm going to log in Canva with a random Gmail account or something like your personal Gmail account. So after that, you have gone to the logo and select on the section that's name is plans and pricing. Okay, after selecting this section, you are directly going to the new page where you can select different type of packages or plans for Canva Pro. And basically now I am in a free variant, and that is the individual variant. Okay, so I'm going to forward to the Canva Pro for free of cost. Just going to the education setup, and here you see that this is a free version for education purpose only. Okay, they can also assess both teachers and the students, and just click on get verified option, and you can forward to the new tab that same is your putting your personal information like your edu mail. Okay, first of all I'm going to show you that how to get edu mail. So I was already created a lot of video on how to create edu mail for free. So go to my YouTube channel and watch it, and get your free edu mail first, and then going to here, coming to here, and create your Canva Pro for free. Okay, after that you have seen that this type of purpose, that is primary secondary school teachers get premium Canva Pro for free, paid we could teach. Okay, as you see there is a country section. Here's you can select your country. If my country is Pakistan, so I select this tab. So now I am going to put my edu mail here. So after that I'm just forward this tab. I'm just putting and forward this tab. So after putting your email, you are going to forward to the this section. Just click on continue, and here you need to upload your document. Means your a lot of document at payslip and a letter of employment. They both of them are for the teacher purpose. Okay, so I am a basically student, so I just put the school ID or the teaching ID. Okay, so you just put this one, and if you don't have any school id and anything like that, so you don't worry. So you can go, you can use Canva as well for your student id. Okay, I'm going to show you or provide you the link in the description box. You can go to the different type of templates providing here. That is a student id, student card, and you have seen there are a lot of cards available in Canva, and you can get and create a student card here. So if you are not a student, if you are a teacher in university, then if you have any proper play slip or something like that, you can definitely put that. If you are proper teacher or student in the university, then definitely you have putting the your accurate or original document. So it's safe and secure, and then you will successfully get your edu mail, your Canva Pro for free. Okay, that's a step you can follow and get legal purpose of getting Canva Pro for free. And it is very simple way and very recommended way. So don't follow any other illegal methods that is very unsecure, and sometimes they can crack or hack your accounts. So don't follow that step. So just follow these legal steps that need to pay the pay slips like letter of employment. So everything you can put here and get your email successfully. Okay, so I'm very grateful to watch this video or till the end. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and laugh is